we're on the final part 3 of doing a big 2025 binder update. This is cards 0 to 100, the last bit I've got left to file away. And these are all cards what I've pulled from booster packs and the stuff over the years, so I'm going to try and get these put away. 0 to 100 is basically beta cards, which I should already have. That's 0 to 50, with the exception of a 1 or 2 over there. I think what card number? 16, whichever card number that is. So I've got to look out for 16 to finish off. It's just because that card will be in a deck somewhere. So I'm looking for 16, and then from 50 onwards, this is the Knight archetype. Let's just try and see if we can fill the last of these very few gaps. And then if we've got any glares or X-glares, we will be putting them on top of the lower version. So, 64. Oh, there we go. Nice, fill the gap. 33, that's beta, so we have that one. 71, yeah, we got that one. 24, we will have that. 16, I hope it was. 96. Yep, got that one. This should be a relatively quick video compared to set part 1 and part 2 of this video, so because with it being one of the first sets out, when you go to buy the game, it should already it was easier to pull the cards. You were pulling more often because that's the way it works until you start releasing more sets. So yeah, got that one. Don't know how we've got 139 in here, but that we already had it anyway. Here we go, a glare version, number 11. Yep, there's a spot. That makes that page a little bit more shinier with the glare. This page isn't far off now. We've got X glares, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a foil Heatwave and a regular glare now, Bog Monster. So a couple more to go on that page. Another glare. Don't know if we had this one in glare already. Number 46. Oh no, we didn't. Cool. There we go. Okay, we have that one. 75. Yep, have that one. What's that? 89. Yeah, I think we got it. Yeah, we got it in glare and normal. 71. I think we'll have this one before. That should be in the Knights deck actually, so we should have plenty of them. Cannonballs. 67. Yep. 83. Yep. Cannon. Yep. 72. Yep. I mean, we should be flying through this. We actually have that in foil and normal. Yep, I think. I best check it's normal and not glare. Yep. Beta, yep, we would have used that one. 69. Let's go around here somewhere. Yep, done. A foil cannon. A shiny cannon, we don't have that one. There we go. Needless to say, I think we have King Rhaenys. Wherever you are. That's the card I'm missing. The big cheese. That was card 16. So we just need a glare or an X-glare version of that now. 51. Yep, we have a neon already. Multiple times actually. 78. Yep, we have that one. We have that one. 17, we should have that one. 92, that's quite high up. Yes, we have that one. Shiny, a glare. 56. Oh, we got it in X glare. Standard. That feels awfully thick. What's that doing hiding behind there? Yeah, it's full. X-glare Salazar. Oh, come on. I don't think we've got this one. Let's get it up. There we are. Yep. X-glare versus normal. We do not have that in X-glare. That's nice. That's one off the checklist. We have that one. 85. We should have that. Yeah. 86. Yeah. 79. There's not much going out. We should have that one. We should have that one. 90. Yep. 98. Yep. Yep, we have that. X-Glare rear. I think I have this one already. Yes. 2 X-Glare rears. I'll spare one of them. X-Glare Core of Honor. That was pulled from a booster pack because obviously you don't get the X-Glare in the booster in the starter pack. 52. Oh, we already have it in X-Glare. I swear the game crafter are jibbing me off here with these X-Glares. Nymph Researcher. Yep, we already have that in X-Glare. Wow. Lots of duplicate. Another X-Glare rear. X-Glare Erica. Come on. Surely we don't have Erica in X-Glare. Ah! God damn it. You know what? These are probably from the last time I updated this folder and they've just been at the bottom of the pile somewhere. Glare also. Did we have him in Glare? We got him in X-Glare, but have we got him in Standard Glare? Yes, we do. So that's another copy. Oh, let's see, I make booster packs out of all these spare cards. 89. We already have that in Glare. Move that across a little bit so you can see. X-Glare Pandora. I was pulling Pandora like silly. Yeah, that's the duplicate. Standard Glare Angelic Valkyrie. What number is that? 39. Next page. Ah, we don't have that in Glare. There we go. That's one out. And a Glare Territorial Wyvern. I've got a feeling... Hey, we don't have that one either. It's 2. That'll be a duplicate. Regular Glare Pandora. We don't actually have the standard Glare version of Pandora. So, that was nice. A standard and an X-Glare Pandora, so they are also spare. See what I mean? I was pulling Pandora like silly. I don't know why. It's supposed to be random, but I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, guys, that is an update on my pages from card 0 to 100. As you can see, I'm just missing only a couple from the start though. Really not many left before 0 to 100 is complete. If you're probably already aware, but I'm not really one to go out and buy every single card of my game. I like to collect the game as much as I enjoy creating it, so that's why I've got little pockets of emptiness here and there. I mean, I can proof it all online, so I don't really need to buy every single card. It's fun for me as well because I can do videos like this. So yeah, anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys, and let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, I suppose, 2026 when they update the binder, I shall see you all next time. Toodaloo.